on the bus, getting ready to park so we can go into the Chelsea show. Okay, here we are, coming into the gates of Chelsea, the Chelsea Flower Show. A whole fence of jasmine beside us here. Chelsea. This is a busy place. Busy place today. We're just getting our tickets scanned and taking. Man with a sense of humor.
No, that's a card. That's fine for you.
Yeah. Sense of humor. Here we go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And here we are. Okay. The main entrance, and you can see how busy it is at the Chelsea show here. And all these booths along the way. Various things. Here's the Haas booth, the Haas watering can booth. I probably have to buy a rose before I go.
Excellent, we've got some for you.
Perfect. And the Britain. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at this flower show. Starlet Jewelry. And here's the nut scene. The nut scene. This is all through the show. Look at all the people. Look at the people. Oh my God. Okay, we'll carry on a display of water features here. Water feature display. Very nicely done. Beautiful. Made out of copper. We're now in the exhibition area. And this happens to be the chrysanthemum corner. And it's got chrysanthemums that are green, chrysanthemums that are amber, big disbud mums, and there's not a flaw. There's not a flaw in any one of these blooms. It's incredible. It's just an incredible display here. Here we have the dianthus display. As you can see, all dianthus here. Beautiful. This is really, really impressive. So this is the display by the Birmingham City Council Horticultural Society, whatever, and it's one beautiful, all sorts of things. It's got hydrangeas, it's got marigolds, it's got lots of things I don't know the name of, and also some dahlias, some chrysanthemums. It's just darn beautiful. Nice display. As we carry on here, I'm just going to walk over to the David Austin rose display. And this is incredible. These roses, this whole rose display set up for the Chelsea Flower Show. It's incredible. My mistake, that last rose thing that we were looking at display was not David Austin, it was Peter Beals. This is the David Austin display right here. This is the David Austin display. Look at this. Yeah, this is the modern rose, the old English rose display of David Austin. One of the things I look forward to when I get to Chelsea is the bonsai display, and several of the individual bonsai plants will be, creations will be displayed on Ken's YouTube channel. And this is the bonsais are just incredible. They're just incredible. So if you want to see the individuals, tune into the YouTube channel.
But we make a complement between the right pot,
YouTube channel. And as we walk along here, there have to be more bonsais. More bonsais. Look at this. Incredible. A beautiful display here. Nicely done. Lily of the Valley. Alstroemeria in barrels. Alstroemeria, look at this. Beautiful display of Alstroemeria. All different colors. Fabulous. Japanese maple display. These are palmating. What a beautiful display of Japanese maples. All sorts of colors, kinds, shapes of foliage. Just beautiful. Even though it's raining, the music goes on, carries on. And all the crowds gather underneath the stage canopy there. Beautiful bass playing. The Chelsea Flower Show. Dave Savoy Equipment, and here is our Mojo Tuscarora Automobile doing its thing.
Oh, it's going to come off.
Yeah,
And then it just hooves up every day.
we have one of those. Yeah, we're from no. It's tell you what it does.
Oh, have you?
Is it takes about 1/8 of an inch off.
Named it.
You never have to bag it or anything. It goes right back in. It's a mulching mower. It goes right back in, little tiny razor blades. And we love it. We call it, we have a name for it. It's called Mojo.